For this video, we are comparing ManyChat and Twilio. So if you are deciding between both tools, we are going to look at which tool is better suited to your business in this video, or whether you need advanced messaging capabilities or quick setup. Now, first, we are going to cover ManyChat. So ManyChat is ideal if you are focusing on automating social media messaging and also SMS. So with a focus on customer engagement through platforms like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and also SMS. Now, for the features of it, it has an easy to use or visual chatbot builder with no code needed. So I'm going to show you how you can start from scratch. So you just need to create new automation, start from scratch, and then click this button right here. Then you'll be able to drag and drop different contents, AI setup, logic, and different extra actions here in your automation and build it from scratch. So you just need to add your trigger and to add all of your actions right here. So it has also multi-channel messaging with dedicated support for social media channels. It also has a direct e-commerce integration for automating customer interactions and also sales support. Now let's go to the pros of it. So for the pros of ManyChat, it has an intuitive chatbot setup with powerful templates for a quick use. So these are sample templates that you can use here in ManyChat. So it also has built-in analytics to track customer interactions and optimize your campaign. So it is perfect for businesses looking to grow through interactive social media marketing. Now, for the cons of ManyChat, it has limited beyond social media and SMS capabilities. So it is not a general messaging API, and it is not ideal if you're looking for an in-depth customization. So ManyChat is straightforward solution for social media and SMS engagement, which is ideal for brands focused on customer interaction. Now let us go over to Twilio. So for Twilio is highly customizable and designed for businesses that needs a robust API messaging, including SMS, also email, voice, and more. So for the features of it has full messaging API that supports SMS, MMS, WhatsApp, also voice calls if you need to have voice calls with your customers, and also emails. So it is developer friendly with extensive customization for building unique customer interactions. So it is highly scalable for advanced communication needs, from notifications to customer service. Now for the pros of it, it has flexibility when it comes to creating custom messaging workflows across various channels. So this is just a sample of a flow here in Twilio. So it has reliable infrastructure and strong data handling capabilities, which is very suitable for companies needing deep integration and high volume messaging. Now for the cons of it, this requires coding knowledge. Setup can be complex and isn't beginner friendly, and also has higher cost structure for businesses needing frequent large scale messaging. So Twilio is best for technical teams needing broad customizable customization channels rather than pre-built templates. So if you're looking for a social media and SMS tool that is easy to set up and geared toward customer engagement, ManyChat will meet your needs or your standards. And for businesses requiring custom scale messaging capabilities across multiple channels, Twilio is a better fit. So you can start with ManyChat for free using the link down below or in the description down below. So you can just check that in there. And that is all for this video. I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.